eerste opmerking was sy baie sag gepraat.
First observation, my Lord, she was speaking very soft.
En op dit het sy my genoem, juffrou.
At that stage, then she said, teacher,
Ek wil vir u iets konfidensieel vertel.
I want to tell you something confidential.
Ek het gesê ek luister.
Then I said to her, I'm all ears, I'm listening.
Die volgende wat sy genoem het, edelagbare, was dat
The next thing she mentioned, my Lord, was that
sy het oproep ontvang
she received a call
van 'n Nigeriese man
from a Nigerian male,
en dat hierdie persoon
and this person
aan haar genoem het
mentioned to her
dat sy moet gou speel.
that she must play quickly.
Ek het aan haar gevra,
I asked her,
hoe weet sy dat dit 'n Nigeriese man was?
how do you know that this was a Nigerian male?
Sy het my vraag nie beantwoord nie, edelagbare.
She did not answer my question, my Lord.
Haar gesprek het aangegaan, edelagbare.
A conversation carried on, my Lord.
Sy het ook genoem dat
She also mentioned,
volgens die oproep
according to this call,
is dat die inligting wat sy van die Nigeriese man ontvang het,
the information that she received from this Nigerian male,
dat haar kind op 'n boot is,
that her child was on a boat
binne in 'n container,
inside a container,
en dat hulle op pad is na Wes-Afrika.
and that they were on their way to West Africa.
Ek het wel gevra, het u dit by die polisie aangemeld?
I asked her, did you tell this to the police?
Haar antwoord aan my was dat, juffrou, ek is bang, want hulle wil my seermaak, die Saldanha mense.
The answer was that, teacher, I'm scared because the Saldanha people want to hurt me.